Class 8, we had to take question number 3 from exercise 14.2 asking you to factorize these expressions. So the first part you have ax square plus bx, and in both these terms present here we see 1x here, 1x here, so we can take that x common. So if one of the x has gone from here, only ax remains, and from here that's b, not 5, okay? So correct it. Then next is 7p square plus 21q square. So from both these terms, we have only, this is 7 3s are 21, so 7 can be only taken common. So 7 we'll take common, bracket, if 7 gone, we are left with p square here, and here from 21, 3 remains. 7 3s is 27, so 3q square remains. Okay. Third one, you have 2x cube, 2xy square, 2xz square. So we see 2, 2, 2 present in all the three terms. Then an x, x, x also present. So 2x both will come out. 2 and x. Bracket, what remains here? One of the 2, one of the x gone. Out of 3, 2x still remains. So x square. From here, this gone. So y square. And from here, plus z square. Okay. Then for the fourth part, you have am square plus bm square plus bn square plus an square. Now in this little bit of working is there. The first three were very simple. Straight away, three from all the terms, something was coming common and we had taken that common. Okay. So we'll see now. Now see this way, the fourth one. Okay. So now in this sub में से तो कुछ common नहीं आ रहा है. We have a here. We do not have a in these two terms. A is here. We have b in these two terms. We have m square in these two, n square in these two. So there is no term which is present in all the four terms, but okay, sorry for that. So now continuing, from the first two we will take m square common, and from the other two again we have n square common. Now if you've taken m square common from the first two terms, then here you are left with a, here you are left with b. Likewise, यहाँ लास्ट के टू टर्म से जब आप n स्क्वायर कॉमन ले रहे हो, here you are left with a, here you will be left with b. अब हमने इसको b प्लस a की जगह a प्लस b लिख लिया बिकॉज यहाँ पे भी a प्लस b था. सो ईजी एंड प्रॉपर टू प्रेजेंट दैट. नाउ अब ये कॉमन लेके फिर क्या होना चाहिए, व्हाट वी हैव टू टेक केयर इज, कॉमन लेने का एडवांटेज तभी होता है जब आफ्टर टेकिंग कॉमन अगेन देयर इज समथिंग दैट यू गेट फर्दर कॉमन. लाइक when I have taken m square common from the first two, I got a plus b. n square from the other two, I again got a plus b. तो अब ये सेम आ गया है हमारा. तो अगर ये सेम आ गया, ये फिर से कॉमन लिया जा सकता है, तभी वो फैक्टराइज या ग्रुप हो पाएगा. ओके. सो फर्स्ट वी सी फ्रॉम ऑल द फोर टर्म्स नहीं था कॉमन. देन वी सॉ कि 2 2 में से आ रहा है, सो उसको हमने लेके देखा. एंड देन व्हेन वी हैव टेकन फ्रॉम टू टर्म्स टुगेदर, देन द लेफ्ट ओवर वाज अगेन सिमिलर. The factor out here was similar, which could have again been taken common. So we've now taken a plus b common. अब यहाँ पे two terms, ये पहले four terms थे, four के अब two terms हो गए. This will be treated as first term. This whole will be treated as second term. And from both the terms आप कह सकते हो a plus b यहाँ भी है. So you will take that common. So here you are left with m square. Here you are left with n square. That way. Okay. Say likewise in this one here, if you see, you had lm plus L plus M plus 1. So there is again nothing which is common in all the four terms. Okay, L two terms में है, last के two में नहीं है. M is in first and third, nowhere else. Then you have L. Okay, L we had seen, and that's it. Okay, 1 so is a factor of course every number, need not write that. So again what we are observing is that if I take the first two terms together from which we can take this L common, then we are getting inside M plus 1. From L अगर यहाँ से सब कुछ common हो जाता है तो only 1 remains. Okay, 1 into anything is the thing itself. So if you've taken that whole thing out, only 1 remains. So ये grouping हो गई हमारी m plus 1. And here also we saw कि इन दोनों terms को अगर हम group कर लें तो this is also giving us m plus 1. So if you have m plus 1, either way you can again take it common. Okay, अब हम next step में this m plus 1, this m plus 1 has been taken common. So इस term का only L remains and इसका 1. Right? So that is how you will factorize. So just observe that carefully. थोड़ा सा ध्यान दोगे तो it is not really difficult. Grouping two together, and then of course grouping ऐसी होनी चाहिए कि आपको further फिर कुछ common लेने को same चीज मिल जाए. That is what you have to take care of. Now see children, in the sixth one it is quite already आपकी grouping है. इसमें देखो, you have y into y plus z as one factor and 9 also into y plus z. So so that y plus z can be taken common again. Okay, so यहाँ से y plus z गया तो only y remains, यहाँ पे plus 9 remains. So these will be your two factors, one y plus z and one y plus 9. All right, now in the seventh one we had a 5y square, then a plus 20y, sorry minus 20y, then you had minus 8z and plus 2yz. Again सब में तो कुछ common नहीं है, y is present not in the third one, बाकी में है तो है, z is only in the last two, and then from 5, 20, 8 and 2 again you cannot take everything common. 2 is factor of these three, 5 is factor of these two only, so there is nothing we can take common from all the four terms. So again we'll see grouping कि group करके हमें क्या advantage मिलता है, do we get same factor or not. Okay, so from the first two 5 and 20 में से 5 जाएगा, 5 4 is 20, so we can take 5 common, we can keep that 5 outside. Then you had y square and y, so 2 y's here, 1 y here, तो हम एक y भी बाहर रख सकते हैं. So from here 5 gone, 1 y gone, what remains? A single y. And इसमें से y चला गया आपका 5, तो only 4 remains, 5 4 was 20. तो यहाँ मिल गया हमें y minus 4. We'll see अगर यहाँ भी y minus 4 मिल जाता है then. So for that they have rearranged this. Okay, 2yz written first and minus 8z written later, and from both z was coming common and a 2 was also coming common. Okay, so 2 and z gone, only y remains. Then 2z gone from here, so z तो चला गया, 2 4 is 8, so 4 remains. अभी हमको same factor मिल गया, so our purpose is solved. We've got y minus 4 here, y minus 4 here, so we'll take that common further. तो यहाँ बचा 5y and from here 2z. These are your two factors, y minus 4 and 5y plus 2z. Okay. Okay, now same way beta, the eighth one, you had 10ab plus 4ab, 5b plus 2. So from 10 and 4 another 2 common, a here can be taken common. So क्या बचेगा, 2 5 is 10, तो 5 बचा and a तो चला गया था, so b remains. And from here a gone and 2 2 is 4, so 2 remains. Getting it? Now ये आपका आया 5b plus 2, तो हमें पूरा यहाँ पे फैक्टर ग्रुप्ड दिख रहा है. So group it together, 5b plus 2. So what is left is 1 into 5b plus 2 will give you naturally 5b plus 2. So you can write that 1 here. Why? Because now in the next step we will be taking this 5b plus 2 common further. हमने बोला था कि हमें यहाँ पे फिर कुछ सेम फैक्टर मिलना चाहिए जिससे हम कॉमन ले सकें. तो 5b plus 2 will be taken common. So here we'll write only 2a remaining, and when everything goes 1 remains. Now the ninth one, this may be simply from the y present in the first two, x present in the first and last, so nothing common, see, from all the four terms. So again we will have to take common 2 together. So from the first two, 6 and 4, 2 common, 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. That is why 2 remains, and y also taken common, x remains here. Clear? Then from here 6 and 9 both are multiples of 3, so 3 can be taken common, so 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. And आप minus sign भी common ले रहे हो. Okay, we'll take minus sign common. Why? Because what did I say कि यहाँ पे जो factor आता है वही factor यहाँ वापस आना चाहिए, only then we can proceed. Okay, so अगर आप minus common नहीं लोगे तो आप इसको minus 3x plus 2 करोगे, तो you can't take it common like that. Alright, so alright, then so we have taken minus sign also common, so that क्योंकि यहाँ 3x पॉजिटिव था तो हमने इस 3x को भी पॉजिटिव बना दिया है, तो उसका नेगेटिव हमने बाहर रख दिया है. एंड 2 को नेगेटिव होना था तो यहाँ हमने नेगेटिव कॉमन लिया, तो माइनस माइनस मेक्स इट पॉजिटिव, सो 1 माइनस विल रिमेन इनसाइड. Now we've got the same factor 3x minus 2, 3x minus 2, that will be taken common, so you'll be left with 2y and a minus 3. यहाँ से minus 3 and यहाँ से 2y. These are your two factors. Okay, so do it twice or thrice children, then you'll easily get it.